Oh, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. You can see, guys, I have here a circuit breaker. I don't know a lot about it. I have investigated to install some of the heater in my house, so I bought this circuit breaker. That means anything happen with my electricity, if there's some short circuit, if a water touch somewhere, it will off automatically. This is 200, you can see here, close number, 230 volt maximum, 600 milliamp. Yeah, 2000 milliamp. It says 2000 A, 2000 MA. Not have much idea about it. Not electrician, I'm a programmer. So in this case, here monthly test here. So whatever happen, it can switch off automatically, stop all the electric supply of that particular product. Okay. So I have a box. I will assemble in this one for my water heater. In this case, so let me open the pack here to show you detail little bit. How we go. Here we go, guys. You can see here, this is off. So this is on. Anything happen, it will automatically turn off. This is input and this is output, something as this should be. So I don't see any LAN in this. So the cable should come as this. You see here, this is normally red one, here is positive, blue is negative, and this is LAN. So LAN will not go in this one, so you have to put positive, negative here. You have to tie the screw loose and connect. So any unusual, unwanted situation happen, it will off by itself directly. It will off. In the next video, I'm going to show you a box of this one, how you can use the box to assemble this one in a box more safely. If you don't have a big huge box in your house, you can use separately this one as well. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.